Tonight at 10, an issue for teens that a mask won't help protect them from: vaping. A startling new report shows vaping significantly raises the risk of contracting COVID-19, especially in teens. NBC 15's CORY PIPPIN shows us now with the work underway right now to help kids kick the habit and avoid coronavirus. CORY?
Kim, state health officials tell me the combination of vaping and COVID-19 is a recipe for disaster, and officials are trying hard to keep these nicotine products out of kids' hands and out of schools. We already know the nicotine addiction and potential respiratory problems that can come with vaping. But tonight, health officials say you can add COVID-19 to the possible dangers of e-cigarettes.
If you think about COVID-19 from the standpoint of being a respiratory droplet, and then persons vaping and respiratory droplets coming out, and then reminding that this is really a hand-to-mouth activity.
An alarming new study by Stanford University, surveying more than 4,000 people, shows young people who vape are 5 to 7 times more likely to get coronavirus than those who don't, and more likely to suffer the worst respiratory symptoms of COVID-19.
It doesn't surprise me. I mean, got to be damaging to your lungs.
Robertsdale resident Chris Black has 3 kids, 2 which attend public school. He says he plans to talk to them about the importance of saying no to vaping.
It's not going to be a fun conversation, but I mean, it's something they got to know, and they got to be aware of the damages and the bad stuff that can come out of it.
Michael Cook, director of Baldwin County's Drug Education Council, says peer pressure is the #1 reason many kids start.
We saw what cigarette smoke has done to us, and we've seen what it did, but it took 60, 70 years for us to get that information. We got to get education out there. We got to talk about, hey, this is bad for you.
Fairhope police began cracking down on vaping in schools last year. Lieutenant Shane Nolte says school resource officers wrote students tickets and confiscated numerous e-cigarette products.
Vaping was already taking such a severe effect on our youth's lungs. COVID is also something that goes after your lungs, so the two together just don't make a good combination.
Baldwin County's Drug Education Council encourages parents to have tough conversations with their kids about the dangers of vaping. If you have any questions, feel free to contact them. We've included that information on our website, mynbc15.com. Reporting live in Baldwin County tonight, I'm CORY PIPPIN, NBC 15 News.